Guys, before this video starts, I just want to sincerely apologise for the audio quality. This is our first video, don't expect anything amazing. I'm jumping in the middle.
Right. Nigga, what you doing out here with all this ass? Double cheeked up on a Thursday afternoon, hella ass, the sun is still out, my nigga.
Good. Just gotta pick up a car.
No, we're just
back to school.
Next to it.
Oh, right, yeah.
Yeah. How were your holidays over Christmas?
Bloody empty.
Hectic?
Yeah, I worked all the holidays.
I just got back from China.
Good on you.
Yeah. Bit scary with the coronavirus over there.
It would be?
It was. I was scared I was going to go into quarantine when I got back.
Don't quarantine everybody.
Yeah.
Have a good time. Go to Christmas Island, always Christmas. Sharing gifts.
It's not funny. I'm probably sick. At this stage in the video, the driver had just had enough and he started replying before I even finished my sentences. He was not having any of it. Good pay being an Uber driver?
No.
Not good pay?
No.
Do you make much profit after you pay for petrol and stuff?
Not really. It's what you get out of it, what you put into it. Like,
yeah.
If you're doing long hours, it would be okay.
You had any crazy stuff go down?
No, not really.
Oh, that's good at least.
Which one's Brock? You?
Yeah, that's me.
You.
What's backseat?
No, I got an Uber down in Sydney. It was the scariest thing ever.
Really?
The dude looked like he was about to shank Santa.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
It's like what?
He was about to shank someone.
Fair dinkum.
I had an Uber down in Sydney. This dude, pretty sure he had an ankle bracelet on. He had to go around to school.
Oh, really? It's supposed to be all checked.
Yep, adopted at a young age, in and out of drug houses. Very hard life for me.
You've come out a good one though, haven't you?
Yep.
It's called choices, isn't it?
Exactly.
Be war boy.
Oh, don't get too close to him.
I've heard they're like their sisters or whatever there.
You guys?
Thank you. We're not actually this weird, we make YouTube videos.
Hey?
We're not actually this weird, we just make YouTube videos.
That's alright, I've had those.
Thank you.
What's up? What's up? Yeah. I could buy some tits for a bitch. Open wide, bitch, my kids is for tricks. Hold up, me if the shoe fucking fits.